Hi everyone. Yeah, long time. So basically, I'm just updating what exactly gone through in the days. So basically, we in the last month we are working on the no code tool, AppGyver and Jano. So in between, just lost interest in the all this process. AppGyver. So I switched to the Bumble, and I find it's pretty useful. So today it is just an intro about the Bumble, and later on, so what I was following the strategies he learn with you guys. Okay, so daily streaming and all. So, but I hoping I will get somebody along with the journey, so that I can also learn very fast. But I didn't, so I feel okay. Now it's time to give the useful tutorial with the audience. So in between, in the last 20 days or 25 days, I don't know when were I uploaded the last video. So uh, now on, I will put a video related to Bumble, and whatever your query, just uh, comment me, and I will definitely reply. And also, from now on, the tutorial will be very crisp and to the point, and not like streaming. Like I'm going for 1 and 2 hours. No, no, sir, that. And it will be like 5 to 10 minute quick job. And if you have any issue, let me know. So try Bumble. Why Bumble? The main question is like, why are you choosing Bumble? Is it like you just want to explore the new platform or like what? So I am working. I'm using a Bumble from last 20 days, and I pretty use it very in depth. Not regularly, but out of 20 days, I think 10 to 15 days minimum. I have used it. So I find it Bumble pretty good for the websites and responsiveness. So there's a lot of customization there, and there's a lot of template. You can just directly pull it and start using it. But I don't. I use it from the scratch so that I can build a tutorial for you guys. And now, okay, let's start. So basically, this will be just a quick intro of how to create a project in the Bumble. You just click on here. Just if you log in into the Bumble.io and click on the new app, then it will ask you your name, the basic details. So I just YouTube sample, YouTube project. What kind of a other? I think it doesn't matter which type of. It is just their way of just collecting our data. What is the goal in your mind? I'm just playing around. Start from template. So you can use template directly. So community have built a lot of templates. So for example, this is this. So if you want to create a landing page, just or such that you just directly get this now, and I think it is free. So you can, yeah, it is. It is added my project. I hope no. Free template. Yeah, use template, and if you click on the use template, and then you can. Uh, so this is the bit intro. I'm not using a template right now. I just want to help you guys keep their template. You can, if you want to quickly, and you have figured out some template that suits your use case, then use it. Back detail of the project, sample product. What do you think as soon as possible creating new app? So this is not a free version, and this is the pricing. What is the pricing? Uh, Pricing is free for basic features, and $25. This is the $25, $29 for the monthly payment. So basically, you will not get a label built on Bumble, and also you will not get a you will not. So basically, you can use our custom domain basically, and white label the whole app. If you publish the app, the free app, then there is a logo of the Bumble built on Bumble that will be there. If you use a free version, and also you can export your all the database and all, and there's a lot of things. So that's it. And now comes to close this step. So this is the that we have created a new app, and this is the first thing that come up over. If you if you check it there, it will. I'm just giving a bit intro about whole the Bumble. So what exactly this is. So here is there is a new feature they have launched. So whenever they upgrade, so they put a new signal here, and if you click over this, you get to know what the new features, and basically that is a release note. And if there any issue in your complete app, it will be highlighted over here. If it's saying one issue, you need its own Google Maps API. So we don't using it Google Maps API. We just you can ignore that error, because I think you can just put a something, doesn't matter, because we are not using a Google Maps. So, and this is grid and border. So what exactly that do is, so grid. So if you click over there, so all this section, it will convert into a grid. Doesn't, I don't think if you are starting, doesn't matter. Snap element to the grid, and all these are the options are there. So this is something I will talk about it when I use it. This is development. So basically all this is we are doing in development. And if you click over this, and if you click on deploy current version to live, live is something like production. So what is the process? If for example you want to develop, you can develop in the development mode, and when you want to publish your app to the user, you can just deploy the current version to this. Put a description first. I just take the first commit, deploy, got it, and yes, and the one, oh okay, if you click over this, this is the your preview of this page always. So this is the first time, that's why it's taking a lot of time. Otherwise it will not. If if you want to check the live version, just copy that youtube.com. I will open it, this.io. That is the live version. Live version, it is. This is live version of. Okay, I think they are not providing a live version for the in the free. So if you click over this, now you will get definitely. So why it is not saying? Because I am a free plan, and I think they allow only one project to go on the live in that. So that is the case. But if you, so the same, completely same, but it is just you will not able to see the debugger. I will in depth tell you about the what debugger do and all this. Yeah, that's what. And this is design. This page, you can click here and customize it. This is a workflow. What you want to do when someone click on particular page, or even page load. All this, you can say backend logic, or you can logic will come up here. Data. It is basically complete database. So this data types means user. So basically, this data types means object of the data. So for example, this is the app data. Na? So this is something sort of think about the database. So in database, there is a row. There is a basically table. This table, this table, this table. If you, so by default they created a user table, and if you add the data, it will highlight it here. So this is this, privacy is this, option set is something static values. I will tell you more about it in the later. I in depth I will cover everything, so you don't need to worry about. You don't need to worry about this is style. This is the theme customization. You can customize everything. So these are the all the built-in elements. Basically, this is alert bar. This is second alert bar. You can even customize everything. Color, its appearance, conditional. So everything you can customize. That we done in the AppGyver, same the plugin. So Bumble allow a lot of plugin. You can install the plugin community plugin. This is the list of all the plugin that they have at loading. So they provide a lot of plugin. It is a paid one, free one. So it is built by the Bumble itself, or plus even the crowd community has also built a lot of plugin. So most of the plugin are free, but there are some plugin that are paid. That are pretty cheap. Setting, this is a setting app plan. It is because I am a free. I have to upgrade. If I want to anytime upgrade, I just click on personal and choose any plan, personal, professional, production, and then confirm change and paid the things and this. Capacity temporary boost. But that can tell the benefit of adding capacity times a month. You are not using a boost currently. You have zero boost over the last month. You can do it still. I don't know what exactly. We will figure out how. No, potentially. General setting. That's a bit. That's a. Basically, these are all the server locks. Scheduler. You can even schedule the process. For example, at the night of 12, just delete all the database. So you can set up that too. Don't do it. I'm just joking, but don't do it. But you can set up that. So all this is just a bit intro. Let me know in the comment section how you like it, what the topic you want to me cover. I can just help you to cover, and just subscribe the channel so that I can motivate, because it's a in the recent time I figured out कि subscribe, like and all this just help me a lot. It basically boosts me. Okay, chalo, you got a one like or one subscribe. Even anyone appreciate my effort. So that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.